welcome to my channel. Those who don't know me, my name is Shweta, and in today's video I'll be reviewing an eyebrow trimmer which I recently brought from Amazon. But before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel. So recently I bought this eyebrow trimmer from Amazon. I wanted to unbox it with you, but before using it for the first time, you need to charge it for at least 3 hours. So I had to open it before the video. I have already charged it. So I'll show you guys what all it includes. So it came like the packaging is so bad, but still hope it works. So the packaging includes the eyebrow trimmer. This is the eyebrow trimmer. It has a cap on it. Then it has a USB wire, and they also had options in this. So the other one was the battery ones, like they did not had USB charger, so I preferred the charging one because it's easier to use. So they also have this brush to clean up the excess hair after you're done with the trimming. So I'll be trying this product for the first time in front of you guys. So अगर eyebrows खराब भी हो गया या उड़ गया, so you guys will know it. So the MRP of this product was 999, so approx 1000 rupees, but they had some sale or something, so because of that I got it for 645 rupees only. So now I'll show you some of the features of this trimmer. So this claims to be painless. It has an inbuilt LED light in it, so when you on it, the light goes on. So the top, as you can see, it has a rotational top, so it moves 360 and removes all the unwanted hair, and it is gentle on all skin type. So it can be used for your ears, your nose, your upper lips, your eyebrows, your hands and your legs. So my whole point of buying this product was to do my eyebrows. So since the lockdown was implemented in 2020 till now, I have just done my eyebrows in a parlor once, but that was just because it was my birthday, or else I am just doing it at home. So since 2020 till now, I am just doing it at home, and my eyebrows are jet black. So doing it at home is a really big task, and I have to do it every week. So since a long time I was finding an alternative, like how to make my life a little more easier. So I just thought I'll just give this product a try because this is a much hyped product right now in the market. So I bought it. Now let's see whether it really works or not. So just remove the top of the trimmer. So this is the button from where you can start the trimmer. You just have to push it up. You can hear the voice. I think it is like I'm trying it for the first time, so pray for me guys. So in how to use, they have said that move the trimmer in the opposite direction on the top and the bottom of your eyebrows. So I'm going into the opposite direction. So hair growth is this side and I'm doing it this side. So for between section, they have said we have to go downwards. So the top area is getting heated up. Let's see, like now, right now it's bearable. Let's see if it stays the same. Before buying this product, I was just checking out the review of this product on Amazon, and the review is so confusing because there were many people who said that the product is amazing, it's excellent, it's a must buy, you should buy it, and so many good things. And on the other hand, there were people who said it's pathetic, the machine is not working, it's not at all worth it. So it was so confusing whether to buy it or not, but the product is so hyped that I was like, let's give it a try. And pricing wise also, I felt it's like fine, 675, it's okay, I can invest that much on a machine if it's really working. So I gave it a try. So right now I tried it for the first time, and as per my experience, could shape your eyebrows. Okay, it gives you a nice shape because you know what shape if you know what shape you want, and you're just removing the excess hair. Basically it is a very precise razor. So if you're using a razor on it, you can see that small hair on your eyebrows. The same way I can see those right now. It has not gone completely, but still they are so minute, so thin, they are not visible, and this has given a precise shape to my eyebrows. So basically it just cuts the hair and does not remove it completely. It has a precise tip, so it was comparatively very easier to remove the lower eyebrows also. So as per my personal experience, if you're someone who's like me who has to do her eyebrows every week, then this is something you can invest in, because we get those small hairs, we want to pluck it out. Sometimes it is so small that it is difficult to pluck those hairs. So this machine will do your work. It will just take off the excess hair and give the proper shape to your eyebrows. For my opinion, I would suggest you to try this product at least once, because it will make your life easier. So that's it for now. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and share this video. Bye.